If you hold Shiba Inu, I have a very important, urgent message for you. Let's get into it. Shiba Inu faces a gargantuan 615 trillion Shiba Inu barrier on the road to a 200% spike. Shiba Inu is likely on the brink of a price rally as meme coins see volume. This is huge. We also have Shiba Inu price to 50 cents. Here's a potential timeline, so price prediction for Shiba Inu. We also have one more thing. Shibarium's key integration redefines L2 landscape for Shiba Inu. So we're going to talk a little bit about Shibarium. And we also need to talk about the overall crypto market because something very, very, very big is happening and you need to be aware of it right now. Now, before we get into the video, make sure you are subscribed with notifications on and that you give this video a thumbs up if you love Shiba Inu and cryptocurrency. So what's going on with this Shiba Inu gargantuan 615 trillion SHIB barrier? Well, what we could see is there is a massive resistance where there are 400,000 addresses that bought 615 trillion Shiba Inu tokens at an average price of quad 0.16. This means that Shiba needs to overcome the selling pressure from these investors who are currently underwater in their positions and may want to break even or cut their losses. So because there is a lot of people that are underwater in their positions, they are trapped, they're trying to get out. And so it's causing the price to sell off at these specific levels. But don't worry about that. Don't worry about that at all because Shiba Inu is likely to see a very, very big rally, not just because we're bullish when we want it to go up, but on-chain metrics, they are supporting this SHIB price gain thesis. And what we are seeing according to these on-chain metrics is the supply of Shiba Inu on the exchanges is being removed. The price is going up. The volume is going up as well. A lot of people are realizing losses. So people are giving up right here. And that's what we are seeing by this chart. And when people give up and capitulate, guess what happens? It reduces the selling pressure and the price goes up soon after that. Now, can Shiba Inu get to 50 cents? How long could this potentially take? 50 cents honestly does not sound reasonable at any time. However, it's saying by 2030 to 2040, we could potentially reach these price targets, 50 cents by 2050. And if you hold your Shiba Inu now for, what year is it? Another 26 more years, you could potentially become a multi-millionaire or however much money that is by just holding your bags now. If Shiba Inu continues to live and to thrive for these many, many years, which is quite likely with their technology, you could become very, very wealthy for holding that long. If we take a look at Bitcoin just 1 year ago, it's $15,000 and look what it is now. Look what look what Bitcoin is right now, $52,000. It's insane. So holding long-term will certainly outperform some of the best traders. And on top of it, when you're holding long-term, you're compounding gains on top of each other. So it's incredible to hold long-term. Now, I've been warning you all the past week that we are going to see a correction. It's happening before our very eyes. And what a correction means is that we are going to see a little bit of a pullback because what we are seeing here on the 4-hour time frame for Bitcoin on Algosniper is these bands have flipped. The sniper bands have flipped. When we are in a strong bullish trend, the bands are going to be very, very green. But when they start flipping, especially on the 4-hour time frame, and they start flipping red, guess what happens? We will get a correction, a pullback, which means we can go down another 5, 10, 20% or something. And that's completely normal in a bull run because Bitcoin just pumped up 40, 50%. It corrects 10, 20%, and then it pumps up another 50 to 100%, corrects another 20, 30, and it keeps going on and on for the next several years while we are in a bull market. So in the short term, I'm excited because I think prices are going to pull back, which means that we can buy one last time before the market really takes off. Let's take a look at Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu is getting a sell alert on Algosniper on the 4-hour time frame. So it's probably quite likely that we end up pulling back still a bit further for Shiba Inu. And we have some major support levels to take a look at. The next major support level is going to be about a 6% move from our current level is 50881. So that's kind of like what we're looking at. Another 6% correction, and if the price starts holding up here, bouncing up here, I'm going to be confident that that's probably going to end up being the low. But guess what? If we zoom out here, the lows are getting higher. They're getting higher. So just because we're pulling back It's not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing. The price is going to keep pushing up further and further. Now, you guys need to be using Algosniper. Let me give you an example. This thing will help you to call out the exact bottom in any market. Look at this. It gave us a buy alert for Solana at $18. And Solana, of course, we know went to $120. This thing works for, look at this. Matic gave us a buy alert at 50 cents. Matic shoots above $1. Look at this. It gave us a buy alert for Bonk, and then it shoots up 10,000%. So if you guys use Algosniper, especially in this bull market, there's a video on the website to show you how to use it. You're going to become very, very wealthy. In addition to this, the people in my Patreon is my private group. We are making a fortune. We literally just bought Ethereum at $2,200. And yesterday I told everyone to sell around $3,000. They just made a 40% gain in 2 weeks on just Ethereum. We also bought Bitcoin at 39,000. We also bought a whole bunch of other altcoins that made some serious gains. I also have access to small tokens that make 10, 20, 50x, 100x gains. If you guys want to have access to those coins, when I call them out before the public knows about them, join the Patreon today. I'm also giving you guys future signals, and we are making money every single week, guaranteed. One more thing, I'm giving away my free trading course. If you guys want to have access to my free trading course, you need to join the Telegram link below where it says free trading course. And in order to have access to my free trading course, which is actually $1,000, I'm giving it to you guys just today for free, you need to join and use Blowfin and trade on Blowfin. There are certain requirements and instructions that will be posted in the Telegram. So follow those instructions and you will have access to my full trading crypto course. It also works for any type of trading. It's going to show you my full strategy on how to trade and become a profitable trader consistently every single week. That's going to be it for this video. So if you guys got something out of the video, please consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.